Well, everybody knows that the Goa Pradesh Mahila Congress is in news these days, as we had taken a procession and a FIR has been filed against me. आणि सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की I had refused to go to the police station, Fathoda police station, because they had put some conditions on me. But then on Friday, Shukrara, Friday I got a call from the Panjim town police station. One of the constable called me, police officer called me, and they requested me to come to the police station in Panjim on Friday, where I was, when I had a word with the police officer, I told them that it's not possible for me within like a short notice, because I had other commitments, and even Saturday was not possible. But I gave a commitment. I told them that I will cooperate and I'll come on Monday. So on Monday I just came. I just met the police inspector. I met the PI, and I was being called to discuss about a case which took place in 2018. 2018 तुमकां खबर आसा जाल्यार आमी काँग्रेस हावजांत आशिल्ली सकल, आनी BJPचे सगळे लिडर्स, जावं तो सतीश दोंड, जावं तो विनय तेंडुलकर, जावं तो मांद्रेकर, तांचे अनेक मिनिस्टर्स, MLAs, कार्यकर्ता हे काँग्रेस हावजा कडेन आयले, आनी तांकां तुमकां खबर आहा रायट्स टूक प्लेस दॅट डे. आमी 8 जाण बायल्यो आशिल्ल्यो. आमकां येवन it was sort of basically a riot which took place, because nearly 1,000 of BJP leaders and karyakartas had come with some agitation, with a protest wherein we ended up getting hurt and we were taken to GMC, and I had put a complaint on these BJP ministers. I had put a complaint on these BJP ministers. It took them 2 years now that they are calling me. The Panjim police town called me now after 2 years, and it was kind enough of Sudesh Bab, PI Sudeshache. I am really thankful to him that he cooperated. I cooperated with him, and he was very kind and good. He has told me something which I have to make a decision. I told him give me 2 days time. आता हांगा म्हाका सांगपाक आसा की हांवें सुदेश बाबाक इतलेंच म्हणलें की पात्रांव, जी फातोड्डा कांयच अर्थ नाशिल्ले आयज कम्युनल डिसार्मनी करपाक भायर सरल्या ते एक रात्या भितर कंप्लेन केली, आनी दुसरे दीस तुमचे FIR जाले, आनी मागीर म्हजेर नॉन बेलेबल ऑफेन्स घातले, आनी हांगा 2 वर्सां जालीं. 2 वर्सां जालीं आमी कंप्लेन घातल्या, ताजेर आयज कांय जावना. म्हाका अजाप दिसता की I was only shocked that why during this time when an FIR is already lodged on me, already filed on me, why in this COVID-19, what is the need of the hour? Why call me now in COVID-19? I got at police station today, it seems 75 police, it seems, were taken for test, swab test, that तांचे कोण तरी काल मेळ्ळा म्हणून. Now you tell me, I feel somewhere this is to suppress my voice. I don't know what's going on. It's like to torture me mentally, to suppress my voice, or म्हाका एक sort of harassment. I told now म्हजेर 8 cases जाल्या, आनीक एड जाली जाल्यार 9 केस जातली म्हणलें, आनीक FIR जातली म्हणलें. बट म्हाका हें कळूंक जाय की आमी तांचेर केस केल्ली ह्या मिनिस्टरांचेर. सो म्हाजी चार्जशीट जाता वो ना तें हांव ताजे कडेन आयज उलयलां. कितें आसा तें हांव तुमकां मागीर आय विल अपडेट. बट इफ यू सी, गोवन्स टुडे शूड थिंक, when there is COVID-19 going on, pandemic is going on, cases have increased, where there are so many issues they have to take. But I think Pratima has become the talk of the town. Pratima has become more important, and I don't know 2 वर्साचे आयज कित्याक हाडपाक आशिल्ले ते. आयज what is the need? तुम्ही 2 वर्सां रावल्या आनी आतां सडनली म्हाका पुलीस स्टेशनाक. So let's see. I have decided I will take a call, but I am not worried. I just told, and I am telling again to Goans also, to take up issues of Goa and Goans. Nobody can suppress me. I will fight, and nobody can take that right of liberty from me. Nobody can stop me. Democracy, म्हाका कोण हाडपाक शकना. I'll continue to fight. As I've said, let them put 10, let them put 100 FIRs and cases also and arrest me. I am not worried. Nobody can suppress me. My work will go on. You talk. Right.
I was part of Mahila Congress as a General Secretary, and we were part of the riot. We were just 10 women there fighting against thousands of BJP karyakartas. Even she was there, and we were hurt. They had thrown bottles on us, they had hit us, they had assaulted us very badly, and we were taken to the GMC for the medicals. We had actually first lodged the complaint on behalf of the Congress, Pratima and the Congress, and after that they did a counter complaint on us, but we were not called, and neither anything for 2 years now. That was in 2018 this happened. For 2 years none of us were called, none of us were, our statements were taken, none of us anything was called. After 2 years, during pandemic time, they are calling us here. So they called Advocate Pratima Coutinho here today for her statement or for the inquiry, which I feel is just a way to suppress her voice and suppress the Mahila Congress working, because we are working continuously during this pandemic. It is just to stop our work and suppress her voice that they have called her here, because at this time Pratima has come all the way from Margao. She's come from Margao. I'm come from Vasco, and there at this time when the, like I can say, the police station is under still awaiting their test results of the COVID test they are taken. They are endangering our lives for a case which was 2 years back. They could have waited for the pandemic to end maybe and then called us. Maybe this is because this was done maybe because of the FIR what is lodged in Fatorda, which that also they did so fast. So I think it's done just to suppress her voice, which I don't think will work, because we will continue to work alongside our president and we'll continue our work in this pandemic. Thank you. Thank you.